Today we're going to talk about Amazon vehicles causing crashes. A case that we handled for a 31-year-old man who was on a motorcycle driving on a hot summer day in a backcountry road thinking everything was good, and as he was approaching an intersection, an Amazon van coming the other way turned directly in front of him, hit him, and dragged him for several yards.
And I remember right off the bat with this case, it was the motorcycle speeding? Because obviously they always want to blame the person on the motorcycle. We found out quickly from eyewitness statements and talking to the client that he was a very responsible motorcyclist, and he was just cruising at a normal speed on a nice summer day in Michigan. And it really was the Amazon driver that did not pay attention.
And these Amazon cases are unique because Amazon sets up the structure of their organization so that these delivery drivers, they say, are independent contractors employed by independent companies, and they have no control and no responsibility over them. So they try to protect the Amazon assets. And they have these independent contractors who have small insurance policies try to make sure that people are offered these amounts of monies and go away. So it is key in cases like this that you hire a law firm that knows how the Amazon structure system works so that you can pierce through and get the coverage and the resources necessary for your client to get full compensation.
It was really important in this case because we had a motorcycle rider who was hit by a large truck. So as you can imagine, the injuries were very severe. He was airlifted to Grand Rapids where he had an extensive hospital stay. Unfortunately, he didn't have good medical coverage, so he had to return home where he had to do home rehabilitation on his own because he couldn't afford the medical care. He couldn't afford physical therapy. I think he got approved for 10 physical therapy visits for a whole year when he needed probably physical therapy 2 to 4 times a week. So we're dealing with a guy who needed medical attention, so needed money to really recover after this accident. So it was important that we looked to the big corporation Amazon for the resources he needed to go and live his life with these injuries he sustained.
And as you can expect, Amazon hired a big firm. They made sure that the independent contractor driver service had a big firm, and we went to battle, our small firm versus those big corporations and their big law firms, and we showed exactly how the Amazon system is structured and that Amazon is controlling everything. It's controlling the drivers, it's controlling the routes, it's telling them what to do, and we broke through that false front that it's a small operators that they call independent contractors, DSPs, that has complete control over these situations. So if you or a family member are involved in an accident with an Amazon vehicle, please give us a call, tell us what happened, and let's move forward together.